Hello everyone! In this video, I'll introduce you to the best Bitcoin, BTC, mining app for Android, StormGain. So, let's get started. StormGain is a cryptocurrency trading and investment platform that provides an all-in-one solution for managing and trading digital assets. It caters to both beginners and experienced traders, offering features like leveraged trading, a built-in wallet for securely storing cryptocurrencies, and a mining tool that allows users to earn Bitcoin without specialized hardware. With a user-friendly interface and resources for learning about the crypto market, StormGain empowers users to navigate the dynamic world of cryptocurrency with ease. You can earn money using StormGain on any device, whether it's an Android phone, computer, or something else. Here's how to begin. To begin, you'll first need to create a free account on the platform. This is a simple process where you provide basic details such as your name, email, and other necessary information. Once your account is set up, you can move on to the next step. Next, open the app and navigate to the Miner section, which is specifically designed for mining activities. Here, you'll find the option to redeem any bonuses that are available to you. These bonuses can give you a head start in your mining journey. After redeeming your bonus, you'll be prompted to click the Mine button to activate the mining process. At this point, the app will ask you to verify that you're not a robot, which typically involves completing a simple captcha challenge. Once you've successfully completed this verification, mining will begin immediately. As you mine, your earnings will start to accumulate in your account. You'll need to mine until you have earned a minimum of 10 USDT, Tether, which is the platform's designated minimum withdrawal threshold. Once you've reached this amount, you can withdraw your earnings to your wallet or another supported platform, completing the mining process. After withdrawing your earnings from the miner, you can use the funds to open trades. To withdraw from the miner, you can redeem the USDT you've mined and transfer it into your wallet. Once the funds are available, you can open trades by using the free funds to trade BTC USDT, taking advantage of any potential market gains. Afterward, you can repeat the process by withdrawing any profits, reinvesting them into further trades, and continuing to grow your earnings over time. And that's a wrap for today's StormGain tutorial. Now you have everything you need to start trading like a pro. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I've found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.